Hi, this is Matt again with Purple Care. This is the time of year when you need to consider fescue. So, back in September of 2019, I wrote an article called What is a Fescue Lawn? And so it is still visible on our blog post. But I need to tell you the story of one of our clients, Michelle. Michelle's been a client since 2012, and initially her yard had some issues, definitely. And so this picture on the left with the before without the E, I think the text box just cut it off there. But so the left-hand side of the yard was very bare in the shade. And the HOA had sent them letters saying, hey, you got to fix this. And so they reached out to us and asked us for a solution. And the solution is on the right. And so this is this is a Bermuda grass yard. And we overseeded with fescue. And in this case, there was a slope here. We had to use a landscaping mat. And typically what works really well for very fast coverage is we come in one time and overseed it. We let it rain, and about 3 weeks later, we come back and seed it one more time, because this is kind of like the parable of the sower. You have to do this more than once for great results. And we recommend doing this in three years in a row. And but fescue is a great grass for shade. And so it's one of the few grasses that work really well in the shade. And so I recommend, if you've got some spots that are bare and you're having trouble growing grass and it's really shady and you're contemplating, hey, should I put sod here? I put sod here before and it died. Okay, that's a red flag that you should have fescue. And if you're not sure how to do fescue, call us, and we'll send a designer out that can plan the space for you and help you come up with a plan that will work and be successful and help you fill in grass so you can go from bare soil to green grass. And we will happily do that for you. But we do need to know soon, because our treatments, we're starting to put our fall pre-emergence down, and you're going to have to let us know pretty quickly so that we can not put that pre-emergent in the tank, so that either you can do the fescue or we can do the fescue. Timing is everything. October is a great month, October, November. But you got to have shade. Very little soil prep is needed. And the fescue blends perfectly with St. Augustine, but the pictures I showed you is a fescue and a Bermuda grass lawn. Bottom line is, if you'd rather go from brown to green, it'll do it for you. But it is like the parable of the sower. We're really just putting seed on the ground. And so anyway, if you need help, please reach out to us at Purple Care. We'll send an expert to come take a look. Recently, we had an article in Pro Landscaper USA called Fescue to the Rescue. And so we helped collaborate and help them write this. And we told that story basically of how we helped turn this yard around. So I can't recommend it enough. And this is the time of year to get this done. And so also, we are beginning to do fall installs. This is a great time of year to put in some landscaping plants. And if you want to change out a flower bed and redo it, fall is a fantastic time to do that. But if you have questions or you're not sure what to do, just call the office, and we will send somebody out to take a look at it for you. Thank you.